Binary search. Okay. For this searching technique, there is need that the array should be in ascending order. If not, then you should first rearrange that array in ascending order. Okay. Suppose this is array given, array A of, suppose array size is 6, and this is suppose sorted array 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Then index, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for searching a particular element, you should to indicate there are two values, low and high. Low is equal to A of 0 and high is equal to A of size minus 1. Okay. So in this case, here size is 6. So here A of 5. Okay. Suppose you want to search element 2. You want to search this element by using binary search. Then first you should have to find the mid of that array. So mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, which is equal to 0. Here we have declared A of 0. No, instead of this, you should have to declare only index of that element. That is here 0 and here size minus 1. So here size 6, 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So 0 plus 5 divided by 2. So mid is equal to mid is equal to 5 divided by 2. What is the result? What is the result of this? Five divided by 2. हॅलो, आवाज तुमच्यापर्यंत येतोय ना? So 5 divided by 2. The arithmetic operation between integer and integer, it gives result in integer. So 5 divided by 2 is 2. So mid is this Okay, then compare that A of mid is equal to search key. Here key is equal to 2, A of mid is equal to search key. If true, then search is successful. If no, then check A of mid. If true, search is successful. If no, then check A of mid is greater than A. In this case, check A of mid. A of mid means A of 2. A of 2 is 6, which is greater than 2. Okay. Then apply here A of, that is, for this case, low is equal to 0 and high is equal to mid minus 1. That is, here mid is equal to 2, 2 minus 1. So high is equal to 1. Then again find mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, which is equal to 0 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0. Now mid is equal to 0. Are you getting? इथपर्यंत समजलंय? हॅलो, इथपर्यंत समजलंय का? हॅलो, इथपर्यंत समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then now again you should have to check A of mid is equal to K. Now mid is equal to 0. So A of 0 is equal to K. A of 0 is equal to 2 is equal to value of K is 2. Then search is successful. See the concept of binary search carefully. First rule is the array should be in ascending order. If not, then first arrange the elements in ascending order. Okay. Then second part, you should have to find a particular element, that is search key. So for that, you should allocate low and high. Low is equal to 0, that is 0, uh, that is first number or 0th index, 0 index, and high is equal to size minus 1. Whatever be size given of that array, that is a size minus 1. Then you should have to find mid of that low plus high divided by 2. Okay, then compare that mid to that search key. If search key is equal to a of mid, then search is successful. Otherwise, check a of mid is greater than k. If it is true, then low is equal to 0 as it is, and high is equal to mid minus 1. That is, you are searching elements to left sub array. For left sub array, here high, this is mid, and high is equal to mid minus 1, low as it is. Okay, find the mid and again search, or again check a of mid is equal to k. If it is true, then search is successful. Otherwise, low is equal to 0 and high is equal to mid minus 1. Here mid is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. That is, low is equal to 0 and high is equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So next step will be mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, that is 0 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 0, and a mid is equal to 0, that is a of 0. Then again check the search key with that mid. Okay, suppose someone want to check this number, will erase this part and search element 12. Are you getting up till इथपर्यंत समजलाय? Hello. Suppose your array size is 6 and the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 12, and user want to search this element. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then as usual in previous example we have seen here k is equal to 12 and assign low is equal to 0, high is equal to size minus 1. So high is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then find mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. So low is equal to 0 plus high 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Mid, this is mid element. Here this is mid, this is initial low, this is initial high. Okay, then check if a of mid is equal to k. If this is true, then search is successful. If not, then you should have to check if A of mid is less than K. If this is a true, that is here A of mid is 6, 6 is less than value of K is 12, 6 is less than 12, this is a true, then here low is equal to, you are searching right sub array now. So for right sub array, low is equal to mid plus 1. So mid is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3, and high is equal to high. So H is equal to 5. High is equal to high. Then again you should have to find mid. So mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, which is equal to 3 plus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. Mid is equal to 4. Then again compare if A of mid is equal to K. Again compare if A of mid is equal to K. See, now this is new mid. And A of mid is equal to 12. A of mid is equal to 10 is equal to 12. No. If it is true, then search is successful. If it is not true, then again you should have to check A of mid. If A of mid less than K. Here A of mid is equal to 10. 10 is less than 12. This is true. Then again low is equal to mid plus 1, which is equal to value of mid is 4 plus 1, that is 5. High is equal to high, which is equal to 5 as it is. Then find mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided u plus 5 divided by 2, which is 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. So mid is equal to 5. Are you getting? इथपर्यंत समजलंय?
Yes, sir.
So again you should have to check if A of mid is equal to K. So here new mid is 5. So value stored at this 5. That is A of 5. A of 5 is equal to 12 is equal to value of K is equal to 12. This condition becomes true, then search is successful. Are you getting? इथपर्यंत समजलंय?
Yes, sir.
Hello. इथपर्यंत तुम्हाला समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have seen that is, suppose you have taken array size is suppose n and elements are taken like this 0 1 2 3 up to n. Okay, the entered array is in ascending order. Okay, so for binary search, keep in mind first condition is that the array should be in ascending order. If not, suppose someone has entered the array or array elements are like that 12 8, then 13 2 7 5 like this, then you should have arranged this array in ascending order. That means after ascending it will become 2 5 7 8 12 13. Okay, after doing this operation, that is arranging the elements in ascending order, you should have to assign low is equal to 0 and high is equal to size minus 1. Then first you should have to find mid with the formula low plus high divided by 2. Okay, then you should have to check if a of mid is equal to search key element. If this is true, then search is successful. If this is a false, then you should have to check that if a of mid is greater than the search element, then you should take the values L is equal low is equal to low, that is low is equal to 0, and high is equal to mid minus 1, and find mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, and then again check with this statement a of mid is equal to k. If it is a true, then search is successful. If it is false, then you should have to check another condition. If a of mid is less than k, then here you should have to take low is equal to mid plus 1, then high is equal to high, and find the mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, and again you should have to check if a of mid is equal to k. If this is a true, then search is successful. So rotate these loops until the number is found. If number is not present, then search is unsuccessful. Okay, and when search is unsuccessful, if So if element is not present in the given array, then low is it greater than high. If low is greater than high, then it indicates that there is no element present in given array. Are you getting? इथपर्यंत तुम्हाला समजलंय का? Are you getting? इथपर्यंत समजलंय का? Hello.
Repeat, sir.
Hello.
Repeat, sir.
Okay. Suppose your array is equal to 8 or 10. And the elements are suppose 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. And my search key is suppose a 21. Okay. So assign low is equal to 0. This is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then high is equal to size minus 1, that is 9. So find the mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, which is equal to 0 plus 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. So mid is equal to 4. So this is your mid. This is your low. This is your high. Then there is a first condition that if A of mid is equal to K. Check A of mid, A, that is A of 4, value of mid is 4, is equal to K, that is A of 4 is 15, is equal to value of K is 21. This condition becomes false. Are you getting? Then you should have to check if A of mid is suppose greater than K, that is A of 4 is greater than K, that is A of 4 is 15, is greater than 21. This condition also becomes false. That's why we are taking next condition. Check if A of mid is less than K, that is A of 4 less than K, that is 15 less than 21. This condition becomes true, and that's why here we are entering in the if statement. Here low is equal to mid minus mid plus 1, that is value of mid is 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5, and high is equal to high, that is 9. Then find new mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, which is equal to 5 plus 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 7. So mid is equal to 7. Then again check A of mid is equal to K. A of mid is equal to K, that is A of mid, value of mid is now 7, is equal to K, that is A of 7. This is now your new mid. High is equal to high as it is, and this is your new low. Then check A of 7, that is 18. 18 is equal to 21. This condition becomes false. Then check this condition. A of mid is greater than K. So A of mid, that is A of 7 greater than K. So A of 7 is equal to 18 is greater than 21. This condition also becomes false. Then here you should have to check A of mid, that is A of 7 is less than K. A of 7 is less than K. A of 7 is 18 is less than 21. This condition becomes true. Now low is equal to mid plus 1. Now this is mid, so low is equal to mid plus 1. Now new low is here low, and that is 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8, and high is equal to high, which is equal to 9. And find mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, which is equal to 8 plus 9 divided by 2. So 17 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. So mid is equal to 8. This is your new mid. Then again check A of mid is equal to K. So A of mid, that is A of 8, is equal to 21. So A of 8 is equal to 19. 19 is equal to 21. This condition becomes false. Then check A of mid is greater than K, that is A of 8 is greater than 21, that is 19 is greater than 21. This condition also becomes false. Then here again check A of mid, that is A of 8 is less than 21, that is 19 is less than 21. This condition becomes true. Then low is equal to mid plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9, and high is equal to high as it is 9, that is here mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, that is 9 plus 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. Mid is equal to 9. Here this is your new mid. Okay, this is your low, this is your same number, this is low, this is high, this is mid. Then again you should have to check A of mid is equal to K. A of mid, that is 9, is equal to K, that is 20 is equal to 21. This becomes false. Then A of mid, that is A of 9, is greater than K, that is 20 is greater than 21. This also becomes false. So again check here, A of mid is less than K, that is A of 9 is less than K, that is A of 9 is 20 is less than 21. This condition becomes true. Then mid is equal to low is equal to mid plus 1. So value of mid is 9. So 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, you will get 10, and high is equal to high, that is 9. Okay, see in this case low is greater than high. See in this case low is greater than high, and if low is greater than high, then number or element is not present in the given array. Are you getting? इथपर्यंत समजलंय का? हॅलो, हॅलो, तुम्हाला इथपर्यंत समजलेलं आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose someone has taken search key is 10. Then what to do? In the same example, suppose someone has taken search key as a 10. Suppose your array size is 10 and elements from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Then search key is 10. In this example, you should have to assign low, high, then find the mid. Okay, then compare a of mid is equal to k. If this is a true, then search is successful. If this is a false, then you should have to check a of mid is greater than search key. If it is a true, then low is equal to low and high is equal to mid minus 1 and find new mid with low plus high divided by 2. If this is false, this condition false, then you should have to check a of mid is less than k. If this is a true, then low is equal to mid plus 1 and high is equal to high and find the mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Suppose in last number is not present, then you should have to check the condition. If low is greater than high, then number is not present in the given array. Are you getting? इथपर्यंत समजलंय? हॅलो, हॅलो, आवाज येतोय? हॅलो, स्क्रीन शेअर केलेली दिसते? नवीन स्क्रीन दिसते का जुनी दिसते? हॅलो, स्क्रीन जुनी दिसते का नवीन दिसते तुम्हाला?
Sir, it is not visible.
Okay, that's why I'm asking to you. See here, suppose array size 10 and elements are suppose 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and my search key is suppose 10. So same procedure, assign low is equal to 0, assign high is equal to size minus 1, then find mid. Okay, low plus high divided by 2, then compare if a of mid is equal to k, then search is successful. If not, if this condition is not true, then check next condition. If a of mid is less than k, then low is equal to mid plus high, mid plus 1, and high is equal to high as it is, and find new mid. Okay, then again compare a of mid is equal to k. If this is a true, then search is successful. If this is a not true, then find a of mid is less than k. If this is a true, then low is equal to mid plus 1, high is equal to high, and find new mid. If this condition becomes false, then there is another condition that if a of mid is greater than k, then in this case low is equal to low and high is equal to mid minus 1, and find new mid. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. After finding new mid, again check a of mid is equal to k. If this is a true, then search is successful. If this is a false, then check these conditions and follow. If the conditions are true, then execute that the statements. If condition is not true, then try for next condition. If this condition is true, then execute this, or if this condition not true, then you should have to check if low is greater than high, then search is not successful. That is, number is not present. Are you getting? इथपर्यंत समजलंय? Okay, we will stop here.